So the reason we're using polyester bats is that they're plastic, and contact glue will stick to plastic. So what I'm doing is actually adhering some of the polyester bats to the sarking or ciselation. So that will give us a reflective foil bat. So I've put expander foam behind the foam board, which will help to glue it in place, but also to stop the vibration and the reverberating sound coming through the bus. If you've ever slept in a car, you'll know there's a lot of moisture that comes from your breath and normal perspiration that gathers on the windows at night when it's cold, and that permeates into a car. Now in a bus, when you're living in it, that would be multiplied many times. So by turning the waterproof side outwards and sealing it, top and bottom, and I'll be doing the same on the floor and in the ceiling, I'm hoping to create a complete moisture barrier that will prevent any moisture gathering inside the roof space or the wall space and encouraging mold to grow and rust.